Hello and welcome to my jewelry land. Today I want to show you some of my Bohemian colorful earrings. Okay, I'm going to try them and you see how they look on my ear. This is the yellow one and this one is with the turquoise and some other colorful ones. I want to try the other one. Is in purple for those one who loves purple. Let's see how it looks. Here we go. I really love them. They're so adorable. You see, you can just dress and have this earring. The material is brass and the color is enamel painted on the earring. And we have this simple one, a bit shorter if you don't want very much dangling and long earring. So this one with pink, and we have this one with dark blue, and okay, we have the purple one. I'm going to try, and also I have the colorful one that I'm going to show you. This one is all the colors in one. If you love rainbow colorful, you see this one. Comment below for me which color was your favorite color, and are you a fan of Bohemian style jewelry? If yes, let me know and see you soon. So much love is always here.